What's up, guys? It's BRODY here. Welcome back for a second vlog. We have a packed day. We need to buy a turtle. We are gonna buy a turtle that we'll have for like the rest of our life. Yo!
Careful.
Already stop. So hey guys, if you guys have any turtle names, please let us know.
What's up?
But he's cute.
You have a minute?
We're looking at the turtle.
Can I get a Caesar salad with chicken, please?
You want a whole or a half?
I guess I'll have a whole.
A large?
Yeah, sure. Hey guys, we're at Panera and
Still haven't gotten
yeah.
We still haven't gotten the turtle. We're gonna go look at a different place where they have a lot more.
So we're going to like a new place for turtles. Now we're at a place called Extreme Exotics. This place sells turtles. I would guess, I don't know, but I would guess they sell pretty interesting stuff just by the look of their logo. I mean, Dad, is that real?
The only difference is this one opens in the front,
Dad,
this one opens in the top.
Fly. How about this guy?
And it latches up top. It's like when you go to
Brody, do you want to
slide
get this one?
it, I'll show you. I got some.
Guy's pretty big. Is that like the next step from a dinosaur?
Dad, is that a dinosaur? Or is that a
Oh my gosh.
Storming or fireworks or
I'm sorry.
anything,
No, you're fine.
Kellen wants to be right
very
by.
cute.
Like, I mean, Whiskey wants to be right by Kellen's bed.
Do that comfort
And then Tequila, I mean, the Grim Reaper could walk in and Tequila's like, oh, you're here for me?
There's a baby squirrel monkey.
How big does he get?
About double this.
Our white
Not too
female,
big.
all of
Oh my
them
God.
have more, like PTSD and stuff like that.
Oh.
Because they're more prone to like.
Yeah, as long as you got like the heat and the UV light.
So cute, huh?
Yeah.
What? No, I still like these guys bigger.
Does he know the sign language?
You ever had a monkey before? Is this your first monkey?
No, I've had a lot over the years.
You had a lot. I bet, man. They're awesome. You know, once you have one, you just want to keep having them. Once they get big, you're like,
Oh my God.
And these ones have to live in a troop, so we'll end up with 4 or 5 more because they have to live together.
You have more?
We're going to get more. We're going to get a couple others so you can have a little troop to live in.
That's awesome.
The apple fritters.
This is the one. This is the guy I'm getting.
We're getting the turtle.
Set them in there when you're ready.
Extreme Exotics. Totally cool. Totally cool place. Totally cool place. Awesome. Shout out to Tiger Monkey Woman or whatever.
So I just got my turtle. This guy is so cute and puny. I got the smallest yellow belly they had. It's a yellow belly slider. So
Thank you all for watching, and remember to press that subscribe button, ring the bell. Follow me on all social medias at bbong_bro, except for Twitter, it's bbongbro. And guys, remember, be lit, so long, bbong, and yeah.
talk to you guys later. Adios.